8. 9110. 8. In their afternoon they had scoured their beach and their nearby rock pools, looking for their most beautiful seashells they could find, and then they had decorated their castle, placing their shells at nicely judged intervals all over their walls, roofs, and battlements. It was late in their afternoon when their castle was completed. To their satisfaction, Lisa took pictures of it on her and Claire's dad took some photos with his camera. They all agreed that it was their most fabulous anyone had ever made, and here it was. Claire was convinced that their building she could see reflected in their mirror was their same castle, only this time it was not built of sand, and it was more than just a few feet tall. It was made of real stone, and it rose up proudly and majestically to a height many times greater than their little houses on Claire's estate. For some reason, though only their mirror could see it just then, Claire's mother opened their back door and called her in for lunch. Claire rose to her feet and made her way up their garden path. When she was almost at their kitchen door, she lifted her mirror, turned it, and looked at their reflection. Their door she could see in their mirror was, of course, quite different. It was low and arched, and around their curve of their arch she could see curious writing and figures of strange animals carved into their stone. So now it seemed that Claire was about to find out their answer to a question which had already started to preoccupy her. What was inside their castle? 3W. Hat. Are you doing, love? Claire's mother asked. She was staring at her daughter in some puzzlement, because, instead of sitting down at their kitchen table for her lunch, Claire was standing with her back to it, against their far wall, and she was looking intently into what seemed to be a dirty, broken fragment of old mirror. 988 9